how to get a refund in AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a refund in AirAsia. First of all, open up the AirAsia site. After opening the site, click on the Help Assistant icon from the bottom right corner. Then click on Select from Travel. Now select the AirAsia flight option. After that, wait for your helping assistant to check if you have any upcoming flights booked with AirAsia. They are unable to find any upcoming flights linked to your account in AirAsia. So hit the arrow and select Refund Request from Payment or Refund. Then wait for your assistant to tell you what they can do about it. Now they will ask for eligible booking cancellation. Select your refund request reason as Flight Rescheduled Refund. If you would like to proceed with your refund request, click on Yes. They will ask you for your booking number or PNR to validate your information. Provide your information to get your refund. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.